Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Welcome to the Tasty Hoddle. Sir, what is your order?
What are your special dishes?
Today there is rice with a special chicken curry.
I don't like chicken.
We have many other dishes.
Can I see the menu?
This is our menu.
Are there any salad?
Our seafood salad is very famous.
Bring me a seafood salad and a bottle of water. Let's start my breakfast with a salad.
I will bring your order in 2 minutes.
I'm very hungry. Bring it quickly.
Here is Sir's seafood salad.
It looks very delicious. Thank you.
Let me know if you want anything.
Okay, I will eat this and tell you. Waiter, waiter.
What do you want, sir?
What for dessert?
Ice cream and fruits are available for dessert.
Bring me an ice cream.
What kind of flavor do you want?
Bring me a chocolate flavor ice cream.
This is the chocolate flavor ice cream.
How much is the food?
The seafood salad is 1,000 rupees. Ice cream is 200 rupees. The total amount is 1,200 rupees.
I will pay by my card.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Your food is very delicious.
Thank you. Come again, sir.